So I want to go over a couple of mindsets of growing your Snapchat account before we dive into the exact strategies. The first mindset I want to go over is the power of an Instagram follower. Now, I've shown you the exact power of the Instagram follower in the past, showing you how Snapchat stories stay on the Snapchat timeline until they are read. So you get a really high content visibility rating with each fan. Therefore, fans on Snapchat are worth far more than a fan on any other social media platform. So you should be celebrating when you get just one Snapchat follower. So don't set your eyes at 1 million or 100,000 or 10,000 followers. It's a lot different to other social media. Also a lot different because you don't have that sort of social proof. So no one is looking to see how much interaction your account gets. That's for your eyes only. The second thing is there's no newsfeed algorithm or hashtags or any searchable, discoverable method on Snapchat right now to find other users. So all of these methods that I'm going to be showing you is going to be outside the platform. They're going to be external and third-party apps, third-party websites, other social media sites, and using your existing followings. So with those two mindsets, the value of a follower being super high and super valuable for your brand, and the second mindset of all fans are going to come externally, offline and online, but not through the Snapchat platform directly, unless we're talking about follow backs, then it's going to be much more beneficial for you to take this next lecture because you'll understand exactly how to leverage these other platforms and why we're doing it. Cool, let's jump into the content.